Hey everyone, Jackson Hudecki from Royal Botanical Gardens, hanging out in my backyard, just thinking about weather. I'm talking about like how seasonal changes, like going from winter to spring, brings lots of weather to us and to the world. Like big winds, up and down temperatures, like rain. Think about how much life depends on water, on that rain. We as people are constantly interacting with the natural world. Is there a way that what we do in our own properties with water can impact the natural world? Let's dive into that a little bit, shall we? When we start thinking about all the ways that people utilize water, wash their car windows or spray down their driveway, if you think about emptying your pool, or heck, even, applying pesticides or herbicides or fertilizers, well, in all those examples, there's compounds that aren't just water mixed in with that water that don't just stay in the soil beneath your feet, but instead work their way somewhere else. Thankfully, nature has ways of absorbing those toxins and those chemicals from even getting very far in an ecosystem. Wetlands by design have soil that acts like a sponge. Heck, even willow trees absorb toxins right into their bodies and store them in little pockets. But that doesn't stop environmental organizations from learning about water, studying water. And when you see a sewer and you see a fish like this, those fish are there for a reason. Let's check in with Bark to learn about what those fish actually mean.
Hi everyone, I'm Christine from Bay Area Restoration Council. Bay Area Restoration Council represents the public interest in the restoration of Hamilton Harbour and its watershed. One of our storm drains drain directly into our creeks, even directly into Hamilton Harbour. So whatever the water is picking up as it's running along the roadway, whether that is oil, gas, even salt is an emerging issue, that ends up in our waterways. We run a program from Trout Unlimited called Yellowfish Row. Maybe you've seen yellowfish painted next to storm drains with a little logo like this. So this is just a reminder that we should only be putting rain down that drain.
Thanks, Christine. And thank you, Bay Area Restoration Council and all of the community partners working alongside Royal Botanical Gardens to observe, to monitor, and to report on water quality, stretching from the escarpment to Cootes to the bay to the lake and back into our bodies again. Whether it's water from our taps or whether it's water from weather, the water on our planet is powerful. It moves, it gathers, and the water that is on our planet will be here for centuries to come. It deserves to be protected and respected. And to borrow a line from our indigenous communities, water is life. And heck, all life needs plants. So from Jackson Hudecki, Royal Botanical Gardens, keeping our eyes on the weather, stay healthy, stay inquisitive. We'll see you next time.